The hospital. Mike lives in Paris. There are many big hospitals in Paris. His friend John lives in a village. There is no hospital in his village. John came to see his friend Mike in Paris. Mike accompanied John to see his ailing uncle in a hospital. John was anxious to see a big hospital, as he had not seen one so far. Both of them went around the hospital. Mike took John in the casualty ward. There were doctors and nurses attending the patients. Most of them were accident cases. The receptionist told them that the doctors in this ward attend to all emergency cases. After initial examination, the serious cases are referred to the specialists for indoor treatment. Other patients are discharged after being given the first aid. Both the friends entered the main hall, called the General OPD, which stands for Outpatient Department. In the OPD, patients are examined and the treatment is given without admitting them in the hospital. After examination, the doctors may refer serious cases for admission in the hospital for treatment. There was a long queue in the OPD for registration of the patients. There are OPDs for medical, dental, ENT, cardiac, and surgical treatments. There are specialist doctors in various disciplines. The patients are treated with latest medical technologies and instruments.
दोस्ती में माफी नहीं मांगते और शुक्रिया अदा नहीं करते।
मैंने तो पहले से कभी नहीं सुना।
अब सुन लिया ना, एक और बात सुन लो, मुझे आगे से कभी पिंकी मत कहना, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता। पहले मैंने कहा नहीं, पर अब कहती हूँ, मुझे मेरे नाम से ही बुलाना, समझी? सोनिया। बाबूजी भी मुझे इसी नाम से बुलाते हैं। बाबूजी,